Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. So I just did another video. I'm going to post that one, hopefully before this one, so that you don't, you're not alarmed by the outfit and the hair. It's all the same. So actually I posted two videos before this one. The two other videos, the video before the last one is the giveaway for the Biz wig. So I have to let you guys know that I am doing that giveaway. So if you've been waiting around for that giveaway, make sure you check out that video. I will link it in the description box, and I'll also post it right here so you can click right on it. But first, watch the rest of this wig video so you can check out what's going on with the wig that I'm getting ready to review. From Zury Hollywood, this is another unit, and y'all know what time it is when these pink boxes come through. So I am loving these units because they all are yaki textured. Like from my experience, all the ones that I've gotten have been yaki textured, and these are the human hair natural mix from the Prime line, the Sis Sister Wig Prime line. Come in these bomb boxes because they're all really bomb wigs. The wig that I'm wearing is also one of the wigs that came in this box here from Zury Hollywood. So without further ado, I'm just going to open it up. I'm going to tell you guys what's going on inside of it while I open it. This is LEX, PM LEX, and this is a C-part hand-tied unit. This is a C-part, which means that it's gonna curve. So it's gonna go either left or right and then curve onto the inside, which is super, super dope with units because it gives a really nice realistic swoop. I like that. It's not in your face. The color that they sent me is Sam RT Mocha. And LEX is a deep lace hand-tied unit, and it has a it says perfect C-part. So let me correct myself. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and open the box. I always love this part because I feel like, ooh, the color is mocha, but y'all look at this color. Let me take her out. But this is hella blonde. This is almost, mocha. And oh my gosh, I think I've told you guys before, Zury be having these wigs, like they smell so good. I know I keep saying that, it's really weird, but some others smell even better than the other one. Like this one, it didn't have a smell. This one didn't have a smell. I know, is that weird? This one didn't have a smell, and it doesn't have a bad smell either. But there's some of these wigs that come out the package. Y'all, please comment down below. I know I'm not crazy. Please comment down below if y'all smell the same thing. It's just a really great smell. Y'all, this is like an ash blonde. Isn't it? No, it's not quite ash blonde, but I was not expecting this color. I'm not gonna lie. I was not expecting this color. I really thought this was gonna be a little bit darker. I know she's gonna be cute. I could feel it. I feel like she's gonna be cute, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. This is what the stock card looks like. This is what the stock card looks like. This is how she looks. So I was thinking a darker color like this, like dark, right? Total opposite. I wonder why they call this one mocha. This is not, the name does not go. Mocha, you think like chocolate, like dark brown, right? Like me. So there's two combs on the inside here. And there's also a comb at the nape. There is an adjustable strap. Ooh, one thing I've noticed is there's no lace to cut. There's no lace to cut. So there's no lace absolutely around the perimeter, which saves me a lot of time. Oh my gosh, sometimes I don't feel like cutting lace. I'm just saying. Sometimes I don't want to cut any lace. So this is cool. It doesn't come with any lace to cut. It does come in several other colors, so don't be alarmed. I know all y'all aren't feeling colors sometimes. So there are several colors which I will list down here below, and it includes all of the neutrals. So 1, 1B, 2, and 4, which are all the neutrals, dark browns and black. This is the parting space right here. It says C part. So let's see, hold on. I might have jumped the gun. I thought it was going to be like a C, like go all the way in. They really shouldn't call it C, because they should call it like a half C, because it really isn't really a C. It's like a, is it a C? It's not really a C. Like, look at it. So this is what the part looks like. So it's not really a C, but I get where they're going with it. But yeah, I'm going to take her off and I'll be right back. I don't have to cut any lace, so this is going to be fast. Okay, I'm back. And honestly, you guys, I don't know. I didn't know if I liked her in the beginning. I'm still warming up to her. Comment, like right now. Like, just go ahead and comment right now, like what you guys think. I'm gonna cut this off because you want to take that off. I have a bad habit, you guys. It's kind of like I do that, like that little, what I just did, cut it instead of cutting it while I actually open the wig. And then I end up like leaving just a little piece. Like, see, I just did that. I'm scared to brush this because I it doesn't quite have a curl. I like it. Okay, I lied. I like it now. It's got this, it's a lioness type of vibe with this hair. I feel like I need to leave some behind and some in front for it to feel cute, if that makes sense. I love the color, first of all. I love this color. This color is great for this hairstyle, and I think it will look even better in brown or black. Love that the roots are nice and brown, blackish, very natural, so it looks very, very, very realistic, very believable. The texture is amazing. I love the texture. It's full. It's got a lot of body. I can't quite get the curl. It's like a crinkly curl, and I'm scared to brush it because I don't know if the curl is gonna, like, you know, I don't want to diminish the curl. I don't want to undefine it, if that makes sense. I don't want it to like go away because I feel like that's what gives this the style. So if I brush it too much, I'm afraid that it will just start getting frizzy. But I like it just the way it is. I think I might put some mousse just at the top here. Because there are no baby hairs, no lace around the perimeter, I would only gel down my baby hairs, my natural baby hair. My natural baby hair, listen to me. But I would only gel down my natural edges, okay, and make sure that they're nice and tamed in case the wind blows. Other than that, I don't have any complaints. I like it. The more I'm sitting here, the more I like this wig. I don't know, y'all. The more I'm sitting here, the more I'm feeling her. Especially when my face is feeling fat, I feel like I could rock this. You know how you have those wigs where it's just like, I don't know, and then you end up wearing the right outfit, you go out, and you're like, yeah. You can definitely see the difference. When I put all of it in the forefront, I feel like it's just a lot. You throw some back like this, then you're like, then it's cute, right? I think it's cute. I feel like they did really good with the parting, and the lace is tinted, so it already has like a nice little tint to it. So I like that. Looks good. They're getting better and better. These companies getting better and better. But Zury is on point lately. Zury is getting it. Zury is getting it because they tinted the lace, which is very smart. They see us putting the concealer in that part consistently. They know that we can't bleach the knots because it's not human. So thank you. You're taking notes. Like, they're trying to make it easier for us. So I'm definitely appreciative of that, because I look at it and I don't really need or feel like doing much to this part. I mean, I could, but I honestly don't feel like doing much to it, because sometimes with synthetic wigs, you do a little too much of the part, then you really make it look like a wig. So it's fine. That is my review on this unit. I love it. I would like to know what you guys think. So make sure you comment in the comment section and tell me, would you or would you not rock this? Did I slay or nay? Does it look cute in a different color, or do you think it will look cute in a different color? Whatever you want to tell your girl, please comment in the comment section so we can have a conversation. If you are looking to purchase this unit, I will be linking it in the description box so that you can grab you one in any color that you choose. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Don't you forget to subscribe. I love you. Stay royal.